Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. If you are into historical fiction novels, I really want to introduce you to this one. This is Flying Angels by Danielle Steel. I really enjoyed reading this book. I found it to have intriguing characters and a very interesting plot. And I also thought that it was very relatable. As a nurse myself, I thought it was super interesting to learn about nursing from a different time in history. I love to read and I also love to learn, so I thought that this was just a really cool way to get a little bit of that history from that part of the 20th century and learn something new as well. Overall, I thought that this was an easy read and it really kept your attention the whole book, and it was very enjoyable. So if you're looking for a great historical fiction novel, I recommend this one, and that's my point of view.